Can you remove mention on Instagram story after posting? Unfortunately, you cannot remove a mention from an Instagram story after posting it. Instagram does not currently offer an option to directly edit or delete a mention once the story has been published. But you can obviously add mention on Instagram story. Instagram's current functionality does not allow for any post publishing edits to stories, including mentions, text, or stickers. Once the story is live, only change you can give is add mention or simply delete it. If you mistakenly mention someone in an Instagram story and need to remove it, your only options are delete the story and repost the story without the mention. So that is it. In summary, no, you cannot remove a mention from an Instagram story after it has been posted, but you can delete the story and repost it without the mention. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.